In this video, we will go over how to use the database browser tool. Database browser is a feature available in all our spatial products. It allows you to connect to a database such as a SQL or Oracle database, etc., and presents a selection of its tables as layers. It is found in the Data tab. Clicking on it brings up this dialog. You'll click the Connect button over here, and then you will choose the database type that you'll be connecting to. In this case, I'm going to connect to a SQL Server database. And you can see over here is where you would enter your credentials to connect to the database. I'm using integrated security here, so it uses the same login that I used to log into my user account on this PC. But if it wasn't ticked on here, you would enter in your credentials. But I have this ticked on. And then now I'll choose the database over here. It picks up your databases, my SQL Server database is here, so that is the one I want to connect to here. And you can test the connection by clicking the button here, and it will let you know that the connection is successful. And then you can click connect. And here we go, it picks up all the tables in this database here, and you can choose which one you want to bring in as a layer, or which one you want to look at the data for. So in this case, I want to be working with the pegs table over here. So you can expand this over here, and you can see its different columns in this table. And by right clicking on it, you can actually view its data, see a preview of what it has here. And if you're happy with it, you can then right click and add it as a layer. If you click add as layer, this will be a display layer, so it will actually plot geometries in the scene. But if you just want to add it as a data holding layer, you can click add as data. In this case, I'm going to add it as an actual display layer, so I'll click that. It asked me to choose what projection to use, and I'm just going to use the scene projection right now, which is world locator. So I'll click use scene projection. And there we go, the layer has been added for me over here. I'll close this dialog now, and we can see my pegs have been plotted on the scene here and pulled through from the pegs table of my database. And you can see there's about 245,000 pegs displaying on the scene right now. Now, of course, once it's added as a layer, you can make use of the full functionality that we have for layers and apply your own styling to it, etc. You can edit the data in this layer here by right-clicking, going to View Data. Here is the data for it. You can come here and capture data, edit, etc., and save this back to the database. You can also make use of our loading and synchronizing offline layers feature, which allows you to load offline the data from a database into a layer for you, so that you can go out and work without being connected to the database, and then do your changes, capture your information, and when you come back, you will just click synchronize offline layers, and it will synchronize all the changes you made to that layer back to the database. This feature is covered fully in the loading and synchronizing offline layers manual available on the help section of our website. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much.